Hello everyone and welcome to Pinnavex. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a FaceTime QR code and explain why it's an essential tool for modern communication. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to quickly connect with someone via FaceTime but found it frustrating to share or type out phone numbers or email addresses? Whether you're a professional looking to streamline client communication or someone who simply wants to stay effortlessly connected with friends and family, the FaceTime QR code is the perfect solution. It eliminates the hassle of manually entering details. Just scan and connect instantly. This makes it a simple yet powerful tool for both personal and professional networking. Let me show you how easy it is to create your very own FaceTime QR code using Pinnavex. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to Pinnavex.com. Start by heading over to Pinnavex.com. On the home page, you'll see an option to create a QR code. Click on it to get started. Step 2. Select the FaceTime QR code type. Next, you'll land on a page with various QR code options. Scroll through and select the FaceTime QR code option. Step 3. Enter your details. Phone number or email address that you want people to use when connecting with you via FaceTime. Step 4. Customize your QR code. Here comes the fun part, customizing your QR code. Add your personal touch by adjusting the design, colors, and style to match your personality or brand. Step 5. Test and download your QR code. Once you're happy with the design, test your QR code to make sure it works perfectly. Then, download it in your preferred format, absolutely free, no sign-up required. However, if you want to save your QR code for future edits or track its performance, I highly recommend creating a free Pinnavex account. Creating an account is quick and easy. Click on the Sign Up button and you'll be directed to the registration page. Here's what to do. Enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're human. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Facebook or Google account with just a few clicks. Click Register to finish the process. Once done, an activation link will be sent to the email address you provided. Go to your inbox, open the email, and click the activation link to verify your account. Now this is our dashboard, where you can manage all your QR codes and track the performance of your links. To begin, let's click on the Generate QR Code button. Step 1. Selecting the FaceTime QR code. From the list of QR code types, select the FaceTime QR code option. Step 2. Entering your phone number or email address. Now, it's time to input the information that will enable FaceTime connections. You can enter either your phone number or email address. Here's an important tip. Ensure your information is accurate and up to date so that anyone scanning the QR code can connect with you without any issues. If you're entering a phone number, don't forget to include your country code to ensure compatibility across different regions. Once you've added your details, take a moment to double-check everything to avoid any errors. Step 3. Customizing your QR code style. Next, let's give your QR code a unique look. In the Style section, you'll find options to customize your QR code's shape, pattern, and more. As you make changes, the preview will update instantly, so you can see how your QR code looks in real time. This is your chance to get creative and design something that aligns with your personal or brand identity. Step 4. Customizing the eyes. The eyes of your QR code, the 3 corners, can also be personalized. You can adjust the shape of both the inner and outer eye designs. Choose the style that best matches your design vision from the provided options. Step 5. Adding colors. To make your QR code stand out, customize its colors. You can change both the foreground and background colors. For a professional and polished look, try using colors that complement your logo or brand identity. This attention to detail will help your QR code appear more cohesive and visually appealing. Step 6. Adding a frame and text. Frames can add an extra touch of professionalism to your QR code. Explore the frame section and select one that fits your style. You can also add text to the frame, such as Scan to FaceTime or Connect on FaceTime. Use the customization tools to adjust the font style, size, and color to match your branding. Step 7. Adding your logo. Including a logo in your QR code helps reinforce your brand identity. Simply upload your logo and it will appear at the center of the QR code. Use the size adjustment tool to ensure the logo fits perfectly without compromising the QR code's scannability. Step 8. Adding a background image. If you want your QR code to stand out even more, consider adding a background image. Choose something subtle and professional to avoid overshadowing the code itself. Be cautious here. If your background image is too bold, it can make your QR code hard to scan. To fix this, use the background transparency tool to adjust the image's opacity, ensuring the QR code remains easy to scan. Step 9. Testing the QR code. Before finalizing your QR code, let's test it. Scroll down to use the built-in QR code reader tool. You should see a message that says, "QR code seems to be readable." To be extra cautious, scan the QR code on your phone to confirm it works seamlessly across different devices. Step 10. Create and download your QR code. Now that your QR code is ready, it's time to create and download it. Save it in your preferred format, PNG, JPG, or others. And that's it. You've successfully created your own FaceTime QR code. With this simple tool, you can instantly connect with clients, friends, or family in a seamless and professional way. Why use a FaceTime QR code? With a FaceTime QR code, you'll never miss an opportunity to connect. It's perfect for professionals. Share it on business cards, resumes, or websites to make client communication effortless. Families and friends, make it simple for loved ones to connect without any confusion or delays. Events and networking. Use it at events or meetings to connect with multiple people instantly. No typing, no errors, just one quick scan. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on tips and tricks that can enhance your personal and professional connections. Visit Pinnavex.com today to start creating your QR codes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.